Good day, traders. Hoping you guys had an awesome week of trading.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's see how today's streams go. Let's see if we can take advantage of the market and hopefully get some good setups. We are trying out a new streaming software today, so hopefully everything is looking good. Hopefully everybody can see the screen clearly, nothing is buffering, and we can definitely get the day moving. Do drop your pairs on the side there. Drop your pairs, drop your questions, and I will answer to the best of my knowledge. Okay, awesome. So yesterday we had a couple of setups. 17 to be exact, in the advanced signals, of course, and it went quite well. We had let me see, I think we had 5 triggers, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, we had 5 triggers, 2 losses, 1 hit 4R, the second one hit 3.7R, the third one hit 6R. So overall we had 2 losses of roughly 0.4% and 13R win. So that was a good day. Could probably say that could give the week quite a good head start, and we can see what we can take advantage of today. So do like the stream, guys, like the stream, so we can definitely keep growing, and subscribe. Awesome. I see we've got Jonathan here, Jonathan Tan. Good morning. We'll have a definite amazing day. We've got Alvin Ho. What's up, man? How's it going on your side? Do drop your pairs on the side there. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so just looking at what we currently have on the chart is 2 potential setups from yesterday. I think we did this during our boot camp webinar, so I'm just going to continue with this actually, because we do have a potential setup that we can definitely take a look at and try to take advantage of. Okay, so we are looking at this specific zone here. I see price just tapped into that OB. Matthew, good morning. Awesome guys. I see Alvin wants me to look at GA. I'll definitely look at GA. Let me just break this down for you guys. That's an unmitigated one. We could have 5.8. Okay, that's quite a good R to work with, and we'll have a definitely buy in this zone. We're just adjusting from yesterday based on today's conditions and potentially see where we can take it from. So this is a setup that will definitely stay, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, and then second pair, only doing 4 pairs on the live streams, by the way, guys. Only doing 4 pairs, 4 instruments, and then I'll take it from that side. GA from Alvin. I think that's not in one of those. I haven't looked at GA in a minute. Or did I? I actually looked at it yesterday. It's probably moving so quickly I forgot. Okay, we had the zone from yesterday. Let's just go back into the higher time frames and try break it down. Okay, the fall is looking like that. Okay, we just remove. This is from the daily, by the way. So I'm just gonna leave that as is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is. Just go back. Just gonna move it to the side instead. So those that are actually watching can actually have this as your 5th setup. When will trigger? That's where the trick question is. So from Alvin, looking at this setup based on what we had discussed yesterday. Remember when I mentioned once the zone is broken, then we can definitely look at this massive OB here. The only concern I'm having is this candle, this big candle here. So it might cause a bit of an issue, but I'm going to give you 2 potential setups for this one. So we can have this one here. We're going to refine it, try find a nice zone where it's not mitigated. That one is, this one is not. So let's see how the 1 minute is looking. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Let's like the stream. Okay, so that's a potential one we can look at. So that moving up there. Okay, I'm just not liking the stop loss range. 15. I'm gonna go back. Try chop it in half. How's my screen, guys? Is my screen clear? If it's clear, yeah, good to go. So here we need to be very wary of this candle, this massive candle here. I'm very, very uncomfortable about it, but just have to make it work. Okay, so we've got this move happening, of course targeting this specific high here and the break of structure high. And remember, with this one, it'll only be invalidated once we have a break of structure here. So until that happens, this is still a valid setup. So we are going to have something along these lanes. And just to push it a bit further, just to look at the next phase, once we do have this break here, once it breaks there, it's going to create a new area of interest. And just move that. It's going to create a new area of interest, which would be this OB here. And of course, always take a highs. And once that happens, you're basically going to invalidate this one. So hope that makes sense. Hope it makes sense. Let me just refine that second potential entry. I see somebody saying the screen is not clear. Okay, that's not good. That is not good. Is Sami the only one that's actually seeing that the screen is not clear? Guys, do confirm if the screen is not clear. Whilst I refine this, I'm gonna drop in even much deeper. There we go. And then of course have that entry there. And then also could potentially have a very tight stop loss range, 17. Or rather I prefer the tight one. So we are gonna chop this one in half as well. And once you guys confirm that my screen is not clear, I can take a look at how to adjust it for the next stream, unless it's only from summary side. Okay, there we go. And I hope this makes sense, Alvin. I see you're asking why don't you want to sell at the high. I'll take a look at that as well. Okay, perfect. So we've got these two. Now let's go back into the daily. Sorry. Go back into the daily. So you look at potentially selling here at the key zones here. That's also still a potential, by the way. It's still a very good potential. So I'll just break that down for you as well. Because this area here is very sensitive. I mean, if you think about it, we had, look, a couple of little turns here. So now you'll also look at one of the OBs here, the most recent one, which would probably be this one here. And then you'd have to refine that. Okay, what did I miss now? Did something wrong there? Sorry. Okay, there's the daily. I see Alvin is busy confirming it, but how's my screen quality? Is the quality good? If not, just let me know so I can see where to adjust. Sorry about that. That's what I'm looking for. There's the massive daily, and then we're gonna refine this massive daily here, taking those highs into consideration. Oh, the screen is good. So summary looks like it's just you. So watch that, and then we're gonna refine, looking at the last green candle, and now you could potentially be inside. Actually, you are inside this massive OB, but when you refine it and go deeper in, we are gonna find a nice sell stop, one that's not mitigated. As you can see, price kept tapping in, tapped into that zone, and then let's go deeper into the 5 minute. So Alvin said the screen is good. Jonathan is off. Matthew, just check for me there how my screen is. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream. There we go. So we do have a potential entry here. Check your stop loss range. 9.3, that's a good one. So you'd have 3 of these. 3 potential setups just looking at that alone. So we'd have this one from earlier, we're looking at structure. You would have this one here, we're looking at the most recent price action, provided that we do have a break of structure here. And if it doesn't break, or if it does break and start tanking to the downside, we are looking at this from a daily zone going all the way down, of course. And remember, if you are using the Wushu toolbox, then you'll be fine. Don't forget that, guys. The Wushu is a beast, so it does the job for you, and all you do is just plug in the pairs. Okay, so we'll have a setup like this on GA. So GA, you've got this. We've got this hourly here at the bottom. We've got this hourly here as well, and then we've got this sell here from the daily, and we still have this massive one here at the bottom, which would be this one here. So we'd have these 4 potential setups on one pair based on different time frames. So let's see how those works. And for you to take advantage of these, you really have to watch your risk, and you should be good moving forward. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Okay, perfect. So moving forward again, I see gold. Let's look at gold and GJ. Those should be the last ones. Actually, let's look at gold and US 100. Go back to gold. Okay, let me just open this first. Save it. There we go. That will be saved. And then go to gold. Gold missed this nice entry here, and you saw it retracing and then push into the upside, break structure here again, retraced. Now it broke it again, so there's going to be a tricky one. So let's see how we're going to take advantage of that. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, so we had structure, break of structure. It got invalidated, started breaking down from here. Break again at the bottom, so we could have a potential sell in this area here. And you'd look at something similar to this. Go into price, go deeper again. Then you're going to look at something like that. That'll probably be too tight, but it is a potential entry point. There we go. So this would be your ideal setup on gold. And of course, targeting the lows as usual, or just input and let the Wushu manage your trades for you. Okay, perfect. So there we go on gold, looking decent. And then US 100 would be the last pair we are looking at. Awesome. And then we can hop into the live. Okay, so US 100, we are still valid. I think you guys caught this one. So if you caught the live stream yesterday from Trading Nut, you definitely caught this move, which was, I think it was a 4R. Yeah, 4R. So you got that move. It's still valid. This one at the top is still valid. So we are going to wait for price to either get in there and retrace from that point. And yeah, I don't think I need to reanalyze it from scratch. So let me just move these to make my charts a bit neater. Just mark that for record purpose. Does that move right there? Okay. So we would be looking at this area here and potentially get a nice sell in that region. Okay. So I hope I've covered your pace for the day. I hope you guys manage your risk well for the day. Don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream so we can keep coming back, keep growing gradually, consistently. And you should be good, guys. Do drop us an inbox if you will need something from us, if you need to clear up some information, or do check out our services. Check out the Forex Signals, the Bootcamp, and of course the Wushu Trade Management Toolbox. Okay. Happy trading, guys.